Are you prepared to create the ultimate keto smoothie? This recipe is tantalizingly scrumptious. It's an effortless, speedy, and an infallible delight packed with nutritious ingredients like avocados, spinach, and chia seeds. All you have to do is combine them in a blender, give it a whirl, and there you have it. A smoothie that not only satiates your hunger till lunchtime, with numerous health benefits. It aids weight loss, boosts energy levels, and keeps your heart healthy. Truly, this is the keto smoothie that delivers everything you need to start your day off. Ingredients you'll need for the perfect keto smoothie: almond milk, berries of your choice, keto-friendly protein, flax seed, vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Now let's walk through the preparation. Flax seed, a dash of vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Voila! You've successfully prepared a delicious and nutritious keto smoothie. Enjoy! Here are a few variations of this keto smoothie. For a chocolate twist, add unsweetened cocoa. For a smoothie, add almond butter. Making the perfect keto smoothie involves utilizing low-carb fruits and healthy fats. It's essential to eliminate sugar from your recipe and add a reliable source of protein. Don't forget to incorporate some greens for that extra nutritional punch. Indulge in the sumptuous experience of your healthy keto smoothie, a concoction that delivers not just a symphony of flavors, but a bounty of nutrition as well. Thoughtfully designed, this smoothie is your ally in the journey towards better health. It's loaded with nutrients that keep hunger pangs at bay while nourishing your body thoroughly. This smoothie is a veritable trove of vital proteins and vitamins, a medley that guarantees taste and wellness in every gulp. A keto smoothie is not just a tasty treat, but an easy and fun way to boost your overall health. It supports weight loss, improves mental clarity, increases energy levels, and nurtures your body with essential nutrients. So, what's stopping you? Seize your blender and start concocting your own vitamin-rich keto smoothie. Let the blending begin and embrace a healthier you.